In today's fast-moving world, she gives her everything: her dreams, her family, her responsibilities. But who takes care of her from within? Every month, the weight, the pain, the uncertainty. PCOD is not just a condition, it's an emotional battle. Hormonal imbalance, irregular cycles, stubborn weight, and the feeling that your body is not listening to you anymore. But what if your body just needs the right support? Introducing For Her, a powerful, scientifically designed PCOD support formula, loaded with Myo-Inositol and D-Chiro Inositol to support hormonal balance, Berberine and Chromium to help manage insulin resistance, NAC, CoQ10, and L-Carnitine for cellular energy and metabolism, Spearmint and Curcumin to reduce inflammation and androgen levels. Feel lighter, balanced, in control again. Regulate your cycles, support metabolism, and restore inner harmony. This is not just a supplement. This is your journey back to you, for her, because your hormones deserve harmony. Take one sachet daily. Start your transformation today.